Jai Gurudev, everyone present here. Festivities have begun. Everyone is in the celebration mode. And here we are to mark the celebrations in a fun way today. And today, my friends and I are here to have some special time along with our teachers on the special occasion of Children's Day. You must be thinking, why teachers are not conducting this event? Well, it is Children's Day, so it should be done how we children want it. Don't you think so?
We don't have any special speech for this day, but we all know that there are some things we can't buy. Some things like happiness and freedom, joy, time, and so our childhood. Childhood is about fun and laughter, innocence and freedom. And today, let's relive the joy of being a child. Gurudev says there's a child inside all of us. So let's laugh and have fun for the next few minutes and be free like a child.
So, what should we do?
So many days we've been doing tasks given to us. Let us give tasks today. But to whom?
How fun would it be to give tasks to our very own dear teachers?
Oh my god, that would be super fun. So here we invite all our teachers to come on the screen, and like we've been hearing for the past so many days, please put on your camera and please unmute only when asked. So Achilles, do you have a plan?
Yes, Shiv. To do so, we would need some materials. So we will ask Komal ma'am to please ask teachers to get some materials before we begin. Over to you, Komal ma'am.
Jai Gurudev everyone. So I would ask Jansi ma'am, Purnima ma'am and Trupti ma'am to get a basketball. Atira ma'am, Sushma ma'am, Pratibha ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am to get a book. And Meera ma'am, Raji ma'am, Harshata ma'am, Dipti ma'am to bring a cut lemon. And Anjali ma'am, Asha ma'am, Manpreet ma'am, get your makeup materials. And Irvin ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Anupama ma'am, Divya ma'am, please get a dupatta and pen and paper. Nikita ma'am, Sunita ma'am, Sushri ma'am, Neelu ma'am, paper and pen. Harish sir, Saraswati ma'am, some cards, playing cards or some cards, any kind of cards. Hanumappa sir, Shalini ma'am, Shweta ma'am, get some white powder. Geetu ma'am, Sumana ma'am, Veda ma'am, Niharika ma'am, keep your tongue rolling. So I'll leave it with kids here.
What do we do, Shiv?
The same thing what the teachers do in our recorded videos. How's that?
Super. Teachers, we will count 10 backwards and you all have to gather the said materials before that. Here we go. 10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Let's get straight to our challenge for you all today. Hope you are all ready. If you are, show me a thumbs up. Okay. So we all begin our day with some exercise, right? For our first challenge, I would like to call Jansi ma'am, Purnima ma'am and Trupti ma'am, and your challenge is to dribble the ball for 30 seconds. Whoever dribbles it for the most number wins my challenge. And your time starts now.
Continue, teachers.
So the time is up.
Clearly, Purnima ma'am won this challenge. 3 cheers, everyone. Very nice.
Our next challenge is balancing the book on your head. And I would like to call Atira ma'am, Susma ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, and Pratibha ma'am. Teachers, you have to go back and forth for 60 seconds. And your
50
time
seconds.
starts now.
So, teachers, are you ready? Lakshmi ma'am, Pratibha ma'am. All the best and your time. Atira ma'am, are you ready?
Yes.
And your time starts now. Keep going back and forth. Children, cheer your teachers.
Ooh, wow. All the best.
Good.
Best. Keep going.
Come on, Sushma ma'am, go faster.
Let's go.
Very
Sushma
nice.
ma'am, Sushma ma'am, Sushma ma'am, Sushma ma'am.
Come on, Sushma ma'am, come on.
All teachers, hooray.
Lakshmi ma'am,
Hooray, all
Very
teachers.
Balance, Lakshmi ma'am.
Time's
Lakshmi
up.
ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am.
Time's up.
Time's up. Well done, teachers. None of the books fell. Very good. Excellent. Children, give them a cheer.
Oh, too much workout. You must be hungry. My favorite are sweets, but what should I tell you to have? Okay, so I'm going to ask you to have a lemon, and you have to chew it, that to not making any faces. So, but my challenge is that you have to not make any expressions. And so, teachers, are you ready to eat a sour lemon? You have to chew it. So, I would like to call Raji ma'am, Harshita ma'am, Deepti ma'am. So, let's see if all the teachers can do it. You have to do it till 30 seconds and your time starts now.
Dipti ma'am, can you also switch on your video?
Time is up.
Wow.
Oh my god, ma'am, that is disgusting.
Well done. Very nice. Well done. Children, I think we should cheer our teachers. You see, they are the census champions.
I'm so excited because I love dressing up. So, my challenge for my teachers are Troops is to put makeup without looking in the mirror. So, I invite Anjali ma'am, Mampreet ma'am and Asha ma'am. So, you have 20 seconds for my challenge and your time starts now.
Teachers, you have to put the base, your lipstick, your bindi, your kajal without looking in the mirror. Come on, the time is going to be up.
I'm
The
done.
time is up. Well done. Very
Time
good,
is up.
Manpreet ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's give
Yeah,
a
thank you, ma'am.
cheer. Look at the pretty teachers. Well done, everyone.
A big applause, everybody.
Thank you, teachers. My task is for Erwin ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Manupama ma'am, and Divya ma'am. I have a very simple task for you. You have to draw this, but there is a twist. You have to do this without seeing. So, teacher, please blindfold yourself and draw this in 15 seconds. Here you go.
Dhanya, show the window in the middle. And your time starts now. Anupama ma'am, can you open your camera?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Show your pictures, teachers. Show your pictures. Nice, that's Irvin ma'am. Priyanka ma'am. Okay, the time is up. Very nice, Divya ma'am. Well done, teachers. Let's give a big applause to our teachers.
Now my turn. What should I ask? I will ask them to draw this. For this easy task, I will call Nikita ma'am, Sunita ma'am, Sushri ma'am and Neelu ma'am. So teachers, are you ready with your pen and paper? But wait, my challenge is you have to do it with your left hand without raising your hand. So your time starts now.
Draw with your left hand without raising your fingers. And teachers have started. Ma'am, I'm done. Well done, Nikita ma'am. That was very quick. Left hand, ambidextrous teachers. Well done, you ma'am. Good job, teachers.
Done, ma'am.
Hari, do you like your diyas here?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Well done, teachers.
Wow, it's so interesting. Our teachers are doing so. These challenges are not tough enough. So I have something more hard to do. will be giving our teachers the card pyramid challenge. And for that, I would like to call Harita ma'am, Komal ma'am, and Saraswati ma'am. Teachers, are you? Before we begin, let me make it a little easy for you. You have to do only 2-tier pyramid, but in less than a minute. And your time starts now.
Yes.
Anna, did you like it? Saraswati ma'am. Yes, up, Komal ma'am, Hari sir.
No, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Hannah, did you like it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very nice.
They're doing so good. Whoa! Oh my God, Hannah! It was so awesome. My favorite game is stone, paper, scissors. I wonder if my teachers know it. It would be so much fun to watch them play. I request Anuapa sir, Shalini ma'am, and Srita ma'am to please join in. But we have to make it challenging, right? So whoever loses it has to put white powder bindi on their faces. So are you ready?
Shweta ma'am, Hanumappa sir, Shalini ma'am, have you seen children playing rock, paper, scissors?
Yes,
So are you ready? Shweta ma'am, we have to spotlight. Okay kids, so you can say rock, paper, scissors. Ready, teachers?
Rock, paper,
Scissor.
Continue to play.
Rock, paper, scissor.
Ma'am, you are facing. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Who won?
again.
Okay, you are very, very good. Thank you for being such a sport. Thank you.
All these tasks have been so much fun. And finally, we have reached out to our last bit. Well, I was thinking what we should end with. Let me say, she sells seashells on the seashore. What did you say? It's easy. So how about this? Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better, but the bitter butter made the better butter bitter. Let's see if my teachers can say this tongue twister. And to do this, I would like to call out Geetu ma'am, Sumanna ma'am, Veda ma'am and Niharika ma'am.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Geetu ma'am. We will go
I
one
can-
by one. So, Geetu ma'am, because you have started, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better, but the bitter butter made the better butter bitter.
Done. How was it for you? The kids are very sharp to give those tongue twisters to teachers. Who's next?
Okay, I will go, ma'am.
Yes, Sumana ma'am, please go ahead.
Okay, so Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better, but the bitter butter made the bitter butter better.
Well done, very.
Ma'am, can I do it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Veda ma'am.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some butter, but to make the bitter butter better. But the bitter butter made the bitter butter better.
Well tried, Veda ma'am. Very well tried. Well done.
Now it's my turn. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better, but the bitter butter made the better butter bitter. Yes, I did it! Oh.
Harika ma'am, you said it.
And
Round of applause for all our teachers, children.
fantastic. This was so much fun. And as our teachers are always using encouraging words, I would also like to say you all did great and you are all winners to us. I would like to thank each and everyone present here. Thank you teachers for making this day a memorable one. And thank you Rajiv sir for all your support, and I would even like to thank all our dear viewers. Hope you all had as much fun as we did. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day and a very prosperous Diwali. Jai Gurudev.